Miss Kimberly Craft. Candidate number 2, Miss Angela Katipunan.
Candidate number 3, Miss Johanna Luisico. Candidate number 4, Queenie Joy Tabu. Candidate number 5, Phoebe Buladaco.
Candidate number 6, Miss Angelica Corpus. Candidate number 7 is Jamie Sevilla.
Candidate number 8, Miss Jedaline Santos. Candidate number 9, Miss Faith Emily Jacobo. Candidate number 10, Miss Vanessa Bertrand.
Candidate number 11, Miss Jill Fonseca. Candidate number 12, Miss Irish Bugarin. And candidate number 13, Miss Camille Erica Osuna.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen, the 13 lovely candidates vying for the title Miss Bicolandia 2011.
Ladies, you may now exit the stage.